Hi guys, today we've got 8 really quick and easy hairstyles that anyone can do. The first hairstyle is this easy low looped bun. To start, I've left out some sections to frame the face, and I'm just going to split the hair in half on a slight diagonal. Now secure that top section into a ponytail on the right hand side, then secure the bottom section into another ponytail towards the left hand side. Now we're going to make a hole behind that left hand ponytail, so pop your fingers behind the elastic band with your fingers pointing out. Take that right hand ponytail, pass it to your fingers and then pull it back through that hole. Then join the two ponytails together with another elastic band. Add some texture spray to that top loop. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description, and then just pinch and pull just to fluff up that section. Now we're going to make a hole in that section and we're going to pop our fingers from the top pointing downwards, and again we're going to grab hold of that ponytail below it and pull it up and through the hole. Next we're going to make another hole behind that right hand ponytail with our fingers pointing down. Grab the ponytail and pull it up and through the hole. And then lastly, make a hole in that section and pull that little ponytail through the hole pointing downwards. Wrap any tail ends around a bobby pin and just tuck them under the bun. Push the bun towards the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. Add some more texture spray all over the hair and then gently pinch and pull at the crown for a bit more volume. And then pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that bun. Lastly, curl the hair away from the face at the front. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. The next hairstyle is a 1-minute chignon. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Gather the remaining hair at the back of the head and we're just going to secure it into a low ponytail. But on the last twist of the elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through. Next, we're just going to tie a clear elastic band a few inches from the bottom of that ponytail, creating a little loop at the end. Now taking that ponytail, we're just going to cross it over to the opposite side of that little bump we created, and we're just going to roll that little looped end underneath so you can't see it and push it really tight up towards the head with your hand. And we're just going to secure that all the way down the right hand side with a few bobby pins. Now going over to the left hand side, again push the chignon towards the head and then just secure all the way down the left hand side with a few more bobby pins. Remember to catch a little bit of hair from the chignon and a little bit of hair from underneath to keep it nice and secure. Add a little bit of hairspray to control the flyaways, and I've added a sparkly comb. And it really is that quick and easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. The next hairstyle is this beautiful low chignon. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and I've popped it into a side parting. Now I'm just going to take a chunk of hair on either side of the head from the ears forward. We're going to bring these together at the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Now pop your fingers behind that elastic band, grab the ends of that little ponytail, pull it through so you're creating a twist. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and all we're going to do is pinch and pull at both twists and the hair around the crown. Next we're going to split the remaining hair in half and pop the right hand side into a ponytail. On the last turn of the elastic band, don't pull the hair all the way through, just pull it part way through so you create a little loop. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Now popping your fingers through the hole in the loop on the right hand side, we're going to grab that left hand loop and pull it all the way through that little hole. Then secure it to the head using as many bobby pins as needed all around the outside of that chignon. You should be left with two tail ends. All we're going to do is cross these over each other, bring them up to the side of the chignon and pin them on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Next up, we have got the easiest half up, half down hairstyle. To start, we're going to section off the top of the hair from about the end of the eyebrows, and we're just going to bring this around to the back of the head and tie it together with a clear elastic band. Clip that little ponytail up and out of the way for later, and we're just going to take one more section from just underneath. It's going to be about an inch thick. So gather that together just under that other ponytail, and again we're going to tie it off with a clear elastic band. On the last turn of that elastic band, don't pull the ends all the way through. Just pull them part way through so you create a little loop. Now we're going to release that top section back down, and we're just going to pop our fingers through that little loop, pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the loop. Now we're just going to position that loop so it goes from left to right, so it lays horizontally, and then just to keep it nice and secure, we're just going to slip a bobby pin on either side of that loop so it doesn't move around too much. Next, apply some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and we're going to pinch and pull at the crown area. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Next up is this beautiful smooth low chignon hairstyle. To start, I'm popping the hair into a low ponytail, and I've left a bit of hair out to frame the face. Now taking a chunk of hair from just on the underside of that ponytail, I'm going to split this away from the main ponytail and just divide this into three and create a 3-strand braid. And just tie it off at the end with a clear elastic band. Next, taking some texture spray, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. I'm gently going to pinch and pull at the edge of the braid to make it nice and voluminous. Now taking that braid, I'm just going to bring it up and over the top of that elastic band. I'm just going to secure it on the right and left hand side with a couple of bobby pins, and then also pop a pin in the middle to keep it flat against the head. Lift that ponytail straight up and add a little bit more texture spray to the underside, and then taking a comb, I'm just going to gently back comb a couple of inches underneath. Flip the ponytail back down and smooth out the top layers so you can't see that back combing. Then gather the hair up and about halfway down, probably about where the hair hits the shoulders, pop on a clear elastic band, but don't pull the ends all the way through. Now taking that little loop, I'm just going to roll it under until it meets the nape of the neck. Push that chignon towards the head and then just secure it on the sides with a few bobby pins. Repeat on the opposite side, making sure that you catch a little bit of hair from the chignon and a little bit of hair from the scalp underneath. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Moving on to the next hairstyle, we've got this beautiful low twisted bun. I've left some hair out to frame the face. We're just going to divide off a chunk of hair from the top of the head to just behind the ear on one side and clip this out of the way until later. Gather the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. Next, apply some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then just pinch and pull at the hair to create a bit more volume. Now we're just going to create a 3-strand braid on that ponytail, securing it with a clear elastic band. And then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at each loop and twist of that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Taking the end of the braid, just roll it up until we meet the head, and then secure all round the outside of that little bun with as many bobby pins as needed. Release that side section and apply some more texture spray. Split this section in half and twist the sections around one another to create a twist. Lay this twist over the top of the bun, and we're just going to secure it to the head on the left hand side. So bring this twist down to the opposite side of the bun, and we're just going to secure it in the middle at the top, and then also along the side of that bun just to keep it nice and secure. If you have any tail ends left over, just wrap these around a bobby pin and tuck them up and underneath that bun section. Then we're very gently going to pinch and pull at the edge of that twist. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Next up, we've got another really quick and easy half up, half down hairstyle, which takes less than 2 minutes. I've started off with a side parting, and we're just going to gather up the crown area and tie this at the back with a clear elastic band. Now divide off the hair from the ear upwards at the front, and we're just going to bring this around to the back, and we're going to make a small hole with our fingers in the opposite side and pass that hair through the hole, and then just secure this to the head with a bobby pin or two. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. I'm going to take the hair from the ear upwards, smooth it out and bring it around to the back of the head. Then we're going to create a small hole in the opposite side, poke our fingers through the hole, grab the hair and pull it through. Then secure this to the head with a bobby pin. Now you can leave this hairstyle smooth, or if you like a bit of texture, take your fingers and gently pinch and pull at all the sections of the hair. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And last but not least, we've got this beautiful low bun hairstyle, which is one of my favourites. To start, we're going to divide the hair in half, and taking that right hand side, we're just going to secure it at the nape of the neck into a low ponytail. Then repeat this on the opposite side. Next, we're going to add a clear elastic band a few inches down on both sides. Add some texture powder all over the top of the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. and then just gently pinch and pull all around the top of the head to create a bit more volume. Next, taking that ponytail on the right hand side, we're going to make a small hole above that second elastic band, and we're going to pull that left hand ponytail all the way through. Then we're going to just roll that little elastic band under so you can't see it and pin it to the head with a few bobby pins. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Then to secure this to the head, we're just going to pin along the top with a couple more bobby pins. So we should have a piece of hair hanging down on both sides. So starting with the right hand side, all we're going to do is wrap the hair around a couple of fingers just to create a loop. Push this up to the previous section and secure it to the head using a few bobby pins. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. Now you could leave the bun as it is if you prefer something a little bit neater, but I'm going to add some more of that texture powder and pinch and pull at individual sections of the bun just to give it a bit more messy volume. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know which one was your favourite hairstyle in the description below.